guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Srijita. Today is Thursday. Welcome back to another vlog. It's kind of a breakfast to dinner routine video, and yeah, I already freshen up. Now I'm going to have breakfast. First thing what I do every day in the morning after I wake up, I make rotis for Shomo's lunch. Then by that time I also had my lemon water, so I did that already. Now when he left for his office, I straight go to the washroom and freshen up. Then I make breakfast for myself and have tea like that. So yeah, today I'm going to have a peanut butter jelly sandwich and green tea. So yeah, let's get in this video. Hello, it's lunchtime, 2:15 p.m. I just watched some YouTube videos. I also was reading this book, Becoming by Michelle Obama. This is the book I was talking about in one of my vlog to pick it up from the library. This is the one, and yeah, I have not finished yet. I have just started. So any of you guys read it already and you liked it, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, for lunch I'm going to have simple wrap. I boiled on one egg. I have some leftover guacamole, and yeah, I'm just going to have that egg guacamole wrap. Hello, it's 5:30 p.m. I'm going to heat up some momos. I'm going to use this Ling Ling pot stickers chicken and vegetable. I got it from Costco. I'm just going to boil it for 10 to 12 minutes. Then I am going to fry it. I'm going to show that. Then we'll have it with chai. That's our evening snack. Now for dinner, maybe I'm going to make chicken because Shomo called me a few minutes back and he will bring chicken while coming back home from office. So I'll make some chicken for dinner. That's that. I'm going to make chicken curry for today's dinner. First, I'm just washing the chicken thoroughly. Then I will be chop up all the veggies I needed. So I need onions, tomato, garlic paste, ginger paste as well. I don't have ginger, so instead I'll use the ginger powder. I'm going to add oil into a pan and heat it up. Here I have used canola oil. Then I'll add the onions and I'm going to saute it for a few minutes until it gets a little brown. By the time I'll grate the garlic and chop up the green chilies and tomatoes. Now I'm going to add the grated garlic and chopped green chilies and saute it for a few minutes. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes. Now for the spices, I'm going to add roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of roasted cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and Kashmiri red chili powder, but I'm out of it, so instead I'm adding paprika powder and salt as well. After that, I'm going to add the chicken and here I'm adding ginger powder, but if you're using ginger paste, add it while you're adding the garlic paste. And I also added some extra tomatoes. Now mixed it all up and keep cooking it in slow heat until it's fully cooked. And at the end I'll add homemade garam masala and some kasturi methi, and it's ready. So yeah guys, that is all for my today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. I'll see you guys on my next video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy. Bye guys, and if you love to watch my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, now bye.